stationary mode, it'll get anything going away or coming at me.
So why would you use one versus the other?
I would use the integrity of lane designation for a speed closing if I'm running a hill or an area where I only want to take a lane of traffic that's coming at me. One lane specific.
Hi, why don't you come on over? Today I want to go over, can you drive in New York State with a foreign driver's license? Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. My practice deals with anything involving cars and drugs. I like to jokingly say from traffic to DWI defense. Today I want to answer the question, can you drive on a foreign driver's license in New York State? You know, sometimes police pull over people for speeding and they see that they're from another country and the person pulls out, they could pull out an international driving permit, they could pull out an international driver's license, a foreign driver's license, and they ticket them. In addition to ticketing them for the speeding, they ticket them for unlicensed operator. It's called VTL 5091. And what that means is that they're saying that you don't really have a valid license to drive in New York State. So the beginning point is sometimes the police don't know. They don't know that foreign driver's licenses are okay to drive with in New York State. And that's why I advise people to have 3 things with them if they're from another country and they have a foreign driver's license. First off, let's get the terminology right. There's no such thing, there's no organization, there's no group that has an international driver's license. It doesn't exist. Yes, there are what's called international driver permits, and that you'd get in your own country. What an international driver's permit is, and you should have that in addition to having your foreign driver's license, is it's your license in 10 languages that have been accepted by the United Nations. So the permit is merely a translation, and you should have a translation for your foreign license, whether you're licensed from Germany, China, Japan, wherever it's from, you should have the international driving permit, which is the translation in addition to the license. But I believe if you're from another country, you should have one more document with you. And that's the INS form showing that you got into this country lawfully, lawful entry, and it's I-49. That's the form you want to have with you that shows the date that you entered this country legally. Those 3 documents together, for the most part, are going to put to bed, put to rest fears or concerns of the police officer that your license is fake, number 1, or that you're here illegally, number 2, or that there's some other suspicions or things going on. I think it would probably avoid extra tickets just by having those 3 documents together. If you have questions about an unlicensed operator charge or a speeding ticket in upstate New York in the Finger Lakes region, these are the types of things that I handle. You either give me a call or you can send me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about it. And thank you for watching this video.
My forks are only good for plus or minus really 1 mile an hour. Wow. I've never had a deviation, only when they're cold or super hot, where you get a deviation in the plus or minus of the actual tuning fork. If it goes beyond the tolerance of the fork,